everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you're all well. In today's video I'll be showing you my latest purchases from Fendi. There are two bags from Fendi here, and I picked up something from Gucci's new collection, the colourful collection, so I can't wait to show you. There is also a shopping vlog. In case you missed it, I'll make sure I link it up here in this corner for you to check out. I show you everything from Fendi's new summer Vertigo collection, which is absolutely stunning and so colourful and beautiful. I love everything. Also, before we start, I would love to see you guys on my Instagram where you can see my daily outfits, how I style my new purchases. I give you some outfit inspo, so I would love to see you there as well. Come say hello. Okay, let's get started. Today's video is kindly sponsored by Karma. You guys know how much I love working with Karma, and I'm very happy that they wanted to collaborate again right before the summer sales, so I can let you guys know about Karma, how it works, how you can save money and earn money with this absolutely fantastic shopping assistant that I cannot live without. It is a must-have tool for us shopaholics, for all of us who love shopping online. I know many of you are familiar with Karma, previously known as ShopTagger, but in case you haven't heard of it, I wanted to let you guys know how it works, because the summer sales are coming and I don't want you to miss out on all the fabulous deals. So here is how it works. So after you've downloaded the browser button, you go to your favorite online store and pick an item that you would like to buy. You click on the Karma button, which by the way you can move and drag up and down for your convenience. So you click on it and you can see that you can save the item to different wish lists and categories. You can also select when you would like to be notified if there is any price change or 50% price change. You can save items to different wish lists and categories. You can see that I've split mine into shoes, accessories, clothes and bags, and that way everything is very organized and easy to find. Karma uses clever technology to help you find the best deals so you can shop more mindfully and carefully with less impulse buys. I would also suggest you install the app on your phone for when you're on the go, and that way you ensure that you never miss out on getting a great deal. So once you've saved all your favorite items, you don't have to constantly stalk websites. You will get push notifications on your phone or email when the item you want is on sale, back in stock or low in stock. One of my favorite features is the coupon code at checkout. So Karma searches the entire internet to find you the best code to apply, and that way it will save you the most amount of money when you're purchasing the item. It is a special feature, however, if you use ShopTagger on your computer. They also have a cashback feature which helps you earn money while you shop as well, and you can earn cash via PayPal when you shop from select retail partners, which you can find a list of when you go to your Karma account. To me, Karma is an all-in-one shopping assistant that automatically helps you shop smarter, and it saves you time and money. So if you don't have Karma already, I'm not sure what are you waiting for, guys. Definitely download it. I'll make sure I leave a link down below. It is completely free of charge and you will thank me later. Okay, so I'm gonna start with Fendi, and this first item that I'll show you is from the new summer Vertigo collection, which is so beautiful. So this is the box, and we have these bags so you can kind of tell what it is. Wow, these babies were wrapped in so much tissue paper, but they're out now and look how stunning they look. So these are my top pick from the summer collection. I think they're absolutely stunning. They're beaded, beautiful, colorful, super comfortable. We will talk about this later, and they're very classic style as well. These are called the Colibri, and they have been around for many years now. I think you can even custom make a pair of these. So yeah, they release them with every single collection, and I've always wanted a pair. I actually want to get another pair in a smaller heel version. I wish these were with the kitten heel, because I know I would have worn them even more. However, this style does not come in the lower heeled version, unfortunately. They only come in the higher heel. These run big, so I went half size down, and also they're super comfortable because they're slightly wider and they are cushioned at the back. You can guys see the elastic straps are also super comfortable because they don't dig in your feet. Imagine if these were leather in the summer, they would definitely dig in, and I doubt they'll be very comfy. Also, these are made of this mesh fabric, so again they seem a bit more comfortable than the leather styles. They have a bit of a more sporty everyday look, and that's another reason actually that I wanted them in the kitten heel. But anyway, these look so fabulous on your feet. I tried them on in my shopping vlog and I think they look so beautiful. With literally, they'll match any outfit because they have all these beautiful summer colors. They have some yellow beads, this very bright electric blue and green, and even brown. They are so beautiful. The little beads look like little candies, like when you see them up close. Look, it's like little candies. I think these are a great pick if you want to choose just one item from that collection. I think these are stunning. But yeah, these are the shoes. The price, they were quite pricey. Let me see if I can find the price. Okay, so the price is £850. Yes, they're a bit pricey, but remember, they're all beaded. So yeah, let me know what you guys think and if you like them. Alright, so the next two items are not from the new summer collection, they are from the previous collection. So I'm going to start with this one in the tiny little bag. Can you guys guess what's in here? Okay, this I have been eyeing for such a long time. It comes in a dust bag. Okay, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Oh my god, how adorable is this micro baguette bag? I have been eyeing these for such a long time, and the other day when I was browsing at Fendi, they showed me some of the new designs, which I also loved, but I saw this and I just fell in love. I thought it is so beautiful in this delicious caramel color with the beautiful embroidery that is very signature for Fendi. It has a gold hardware, and I will show you it up close. Even on the back you can see the beautiful flower embroidery. I thought this will be a great spring summer piece because of the embroidery, which gives it a very sweet spring summer look that will look great with dresses, skirts in the summer. Also on the back you can see there is a clip that you can clip on your jeans. You can wear as a little accessory on your jeans. You can clip these on belts. So Fendi does these really beautiful, very thick belts, and you can put different charms on them. I will insert a picture here so you can see what I'm talking about. And there is also, when you open it up, there is also one thing that kind of annoys me. I wish it was a magnetic closure. Instead there is a popper, which, because the leather is so soft, it's like a buttery soft lambskin leather. If the bag is empty, it is empty now, it is a bit, you have to really press in to close it. So I hope I won't damage the leather that way. But this is the little cutie inside. It comes with a long chain which is removable. You can clip it in. So yeah, you can see it is quite long and it looks like a necklace. It's so dainty and beautiful, and it is adjustable, so you can adjust the length. You can crossbody this. It looks so adorable crossbody, and again with dresses in the summer this will look so cute. And also, have you guys seen, it's super trendy to wear these tiny little bags crossbody with another like proper handbag together. And yeah, this is another reason actually that I bought this color. I thought this will look great with the caramel Chanel flat bag, so I can wear them together. So yeah, let me show you the little bag inside. Look how cute! And there's just tiny little compartments. You can definitely put your cards in here and your keys, and that's it. I think there's the receipt. There is also, not the receipt, sorry, the tag. There is also a tiny little back pocket. Can you guys see? So yeah, it's very, very adorable, and you guys know that the baguette style is very classic. It's a timeless piece, so I really wanted to add one of these cuties in my collection, but they have them in so many different styles and colors and fabrics. They have them with beads, with sequins, so yeah, it was a bit difficult to decide, but at the end I decided to go for this one because I thought it would go nicely with my Chanel and I can wear them together. And this is a neutral color. I just fell in love with the embroidery, so I decided to go for this one. Let me know what you guys think. Also, I want to show you another trick how you can wear it, because the strap is adjustable. So when I tried this at the store, actually I was thinking of different ways of how to wear it, and I tried it on as a belt bag, and even the sales assistant was like, oh my god, that's a great idea, I never thought of that, because the chain is adjustable, you can actually do that. So yeah, it's super versatile little piece and I love it. The price, let me quickly give you the price. The price of this was £590. Next, I want to show you a ready-to-wear piece that you might have seen in my shopping vlogs. I tried this piece in one of my previous shopping vlogs and I fell in love, and at first I wasn't sure, but then I tried it on again and I decided that I needed it in my collection. It is a beautiful denim shirt. This is from the previous collection, which is still available, so if you're interested you can still find it. This shirt also comes in white that I also tried on, but I didn't like the white one because it would crease a lot and white gets dirty very fast as well. I also thought this was so much better for spring and summer. I loved the light denim wash. I love that the buttons are also covered in fabric, and it has the beautiful FF embroidery here, just a touch of a logo there on the pocket so everyone knows it's Fendi. So I actually ended up going a size up. I tried this at first in Italian 38, which is a very small size. I believe that is what size, UK size 6, is it? But this runs very big, so Italian 38 fit me, but at the end I decided to go one size up, and I actually think it falls better, it fits slightly nicer. But yeah, just bear in mind this fits very oversized and you should definitely go a size down. Don't go with your normal size because it will be too big. So yeah, this is Italian 40, which I think, if I'm not mistaken, is UK 8. And I'm definitely not a UK size 8. I'm more like a 10 or 12 in tops because I have a bigger chest. The fabric is super lightweight and comfortable. It's perfect as a transitional piece. And also another thing that I loved about this is that it could be 2-in-1. It could be worn as a shirt, top, and you can also wear it as an overshirt, a jacket, unbuttoned with a vest top underneath. So that's another reason why I decided to go for this denim one. I thought it looks really nice as a denim jacket with short sleeves. And also the price wasn't too bad. So the price of this, oh god, I ended up buying this online actually, so I can't remember. It was a bit more expensive than the plain white shirt, so I think it was around £750 if I'm not mistaken, but again I'll make sure I link everything down below. However, I noticed this is starting to sell out quite fast, and I think I found it only on 2 websites, so I hope it's still available if you guys interested. Finally, I'll show you what I got from Gucci's new multicolor collection. So this is actually a huge bag and they gave me one more. I just mentioned that I loved the packaging and they were very kind, and they gave me another bag, a smaller bag, and inside, I don't know why they gave me this huge bag, because I bought this. It's a tiny little item, so you see my pick, but it comes in this box. Can you guys guess? Let's open it up quickly. Okay. Hold on, I have to show you it this way. Look inside. So colorful! How colorful and beautiful is this dust bag? Wow. Okay, can you guys guess what's in here? It is a hat. hats. I got this beautiful green hat. I actually think this is from the men's collection because they didn't have it at the women's wear. I checked there and they said check men's wear because they might have it there. So I did, and it was available. This comes in 2 colors. I also saw the yellow one, they have it in yellow, but I definitely prefer this green. I feel that it suits me a bit more, and I just fell in love. I thought it was really cool, and I wear hats so much. Well, the only cap I have is from Balenciaga, and I wear that one so much, so I decided that I needed to buy another one, and I started looking and I found this one and I thought it was really cool and different, so I decided to go for it. And they come in different sizes. I got size medium, which is 58 centimeters. And to be honest, it is a bit big, but you can adjust it. Not a lot, but you can adjust it slightly. But yeah, I decided the small might be a bit too tight. The medium is a bit big, but when I adjust it, it's fine. I just loved this pop of color, and I thought this will look great styled with the Chanel green trendy. For a casual day out look. I will style them up together so we can see the total look, and I'll show you how I'm going to wear it. This is the hat, and the price, okay, so the price was £260. By the way, this packaging is so cool. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's unboxing video. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Which one was your favorite piece? Would you be picking anything from the new collections? And yeah, I'd love to hear from you. Let's talk in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.